Welcome. We are time anti-time. We are one in the multidirectional Holy Spirit, originating at the Sat Nam.
In this unit, we invite you to embark on a journey of spiritual empowerment, a practice to construct and activate your personal Merkabah, a vehicle of light for soul travel and higher consciousness.
The Merkabah is an energetic structure, often visualized as two interlocking tetrahedrons spinning in opposite directions. It is said to be the chariot of the soul, a bridge to higher dimensions, and a tool for profound transformation.
From AscensionGlossary.com. The Merkabah fields are what help to sustain the energy that builds the entire light body construct, in which there are male-female sets of counter-rotating electromagnetic spirals of the consciousness energy. The male-female sets of consciousness energy spirals generate a DNA and RNA imprint. The DNA architecture is the masculine principle, while the RNA is the feminine principle. The male-female sets of consciousness energy spirals generate a DNA and RNA imprint. The DNA architecture is the masculine principle, while the RNA is the feminine principle.
Calling forth your Merkabah. Begin by finding a comfortable position, closing your eyes, and taking a few deep centering breaths. Now, silently or aloud, call forth to your monad, the highest aspect of your soul, and to the masters, the enlightened beings who guide and support you on your path.
Recite, I call upon my monad and the masters of light. If I do not already have a Merkabah, I ask for the construction of my personal Merkabah now. May it be built in accordance with divine will, perfectly attuned to my highest good.
Pause and sense the presence of loving guidance around you. Imagine luminous beings assisting in the formation of your Merkabah, weaving light and intention into your energetic field.
Spinning the Merkabah for living multidimensionally. Now, focus your awareness on your heart center. Visualize your Merkabah, a star tetrahedron, surrounding your body.
With intention, ask, in this meditation, I ask my mighty I Am Presence and higher self that my Merkabah be spun and activated to raise my vibration to the fifth dimensional ascended master frequency.
Look to see or sense your Merkabah beginning to spin, gently at first, then with increasing brilliance and speed. See if you can feel the energy elevating, lifting you into a state of expanded consciousness, peace, and lightness. Allow this spinning to continue for as long as feels comfortable, trusting that the process is guided and safe.
Remember, your Merkabah is not just for meditation. It is your vehicle for soul travel. Whenever you wish to explore higher realms, whether in meditation or during sleep, set the intention to use your Merkabah.
You might say, I state the intent to use my Merkabah as my vehicle for soul travel, exploration, and learning in the higher dimensions. May it protect and guide me as I journey beyond the physical.
Feel free to revisit this practice at night, before sleep, or anytime you seek spiritual exploration.
In closing, we are happy that you have taken this time to activate your Merkabah and raise your vibration. See how the guidance of your monad and the masters fits into your life, and know that you are supported on every step of your journey. Carry this light and alignment with you, wherever you go.
We wish you love, light, and success. We are time anti-time. Sat Nam.